Some water sources are too dangerous, too remote or too hard to reach. Steep banks, contaminated zones, fast currents. So we sent a drone instead. This is precision, water sampling from the air, collecting real water quality data from places field teams often can't safely access. No wading into unknown contamination, no risking equipment or lives to reach a hard-to-reach intake point. Just clean, consistent, remote-controlled sampling. Built for the environments where water quality monitoring matters most. This is the future of environmental fieldwork. Once the sample is collected, it doesn't just sit in a vial. Back in the lab, we screen it for contaminants, metals, nutrients, emerging pollutants, building a real picture of what's actually in the water. Multiply this across dozens of sites, and you get something field teams alone could never produce fast enough. A map of water quality across an entire watershed. This isn't just about one sample. It's about catching problems before they reach the communities downstream.
You just like put it right over his head.
Yeah.
I got it.